Replacing the motor of watch window is easy and can be done with the virtuous instructions. Here are the steps to replacing motor in a watch window. Remove the watch card with faulty motor. Take out the e-wire pad inside the holder. Use Finnish screwdriver to take out the screw in the middle of the turntable. Pull out the rotor. Gently remove the 6 protection back doors and use Finnish screwdriver to take out screw out. Gently pry it open with a tool, and the holder will be completely removed. Put the bolt on the tower to prevent any parts from being scratched. You can use Cornish screwdriver or Finnish screwdriver. Unscrew these 5 screws. Put out the motor. Carefully disconnect the wires for the faulty motor from the circuit board. Take note of where each wire was connected, as you need to connect the new motor in the same way. Take the new motor and secure it with screw. Make sure all screws are firmly tightened, but not too tight, then it could damage the motor. Connect the wires in the exact same way the old motor was connected. Back to the front overtaking car position to put the inner rubber card back to the original position. Tighten the screw and put in the black e-wire pad. Plug it in the watch window to a power source. Once you are sure the new motor is working correctly, remove the power source and reattach the watch window bolt. Tighten all the screws and fit the protection back doors. That's it. You successfully replaced the motor of your watch window.